Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some really rare iPhone apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device. These are apps that are actually very unique and you probably don't even know about them because most of these are actually not that popular at all, but I believe they're very useful and iPhone users must have them on their device. Now another thing you must do right now is subscribe to this channel. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed, so that would really help out a lot, so make sure you subscribe and leave a like on the video. We're starting things off with Spotty. Now this is a really interesting app that will let you basically bookmark different locations that you have been to or that you're interested on. Now the way it works, you can just bookmark your locations and you can easily share them and of course find them from the list anytime you need them, and of course even get directions from any map services that you use. Now the way it works, you see a location or you're at a location that you want to mark up, all you have to do is just tap and hold, and of course you can add the location right there. So tap here, you can name the location, you can add one of these icons to that location, as easy as that. Once you have done that, you can go to the search right here and you will find the list of locations that you have saved. Let's say here I want to share this restaurant that I have saved, tap right there, and there we go, it will show me the location. What I can do from here, I can tap on the three dots right there, get directions to that place that I have saved, and of course I can go by Apple Maps or Google Maps or even get an Uber ride directly from here. And what I also can do is share this, so I can tap on share and I can open this on browser, I can copy the link to this location, or I can just go ahead and share this using a QR code. Just tap right there, it will generate a QR code that will actually let you share this location. Item I do is the next app for the video. Now with this app you will never forget where you have placed your stuff. The way it works, you open the app, go to places right here and you create places. You can create places like maybe living room or garage or stuff like that, and then you can just add items to those places. So what you gotta do, once you have created your places right here, go to items, and let's say I want to add a new item. I tap right there, just enter the name for the item. Once you have added the name for the item, you can also take like a picture of that item or just choose one from the library or just go with no picture, and then of course choose the place where we have placed that item, tap on confirm, and you're good to go. You have saved this, and of course you will find it right here on the list. Now anytime you need to find something, you can just search it right here and of course tap on it and it will show you where you have that item, and of course the picture if you have added one. Also it will show you where it is and of course where it's placed. You will have a place label as well. This right here is a super useful app if you don't want to give away your email whenever you're registering somewhere or stuff like that. You can just have a temporary email. Now the way it works, all you gotta do, open the app, you can just go ahead and tap on random right there and it will generate a new email for you. That's the email. You can copy it of course if you want to add it somewhere, or you can go ahead and choose here like a different email that you might want to, and of course generate it from there, and then you will have your mailbox right here. Now all the emails that come to this temporary email will be shown right here on your mailbox. It's as easy as that, creating a temporary email without you having to give out your personal email. Next up is Highlighter. This is the easiest way to hide something on a screenshot or any picture that you maybe want to share or send it to someone. It's very useful and it works really good. Now let's say I just want to hide here something, a text maybe. All I have to do is just swipe like that and you can see it also will fix itself, so it's basically automatically. So I draw there, not such a good line, but it will fix that for me. You can see just like that how easy that is. Now the way it works, you can go ahead and choose a color here, of course, choose between different colors for that. So just like that, I can have it on red, and of course right here you can have the eraser. You can go to manual highlighter or use this magic highlighter which I just showed you guys, that will basically just hide anything automatically like that and make it look really nice and really clean without you having to use the markup tool of iOS and just made a mess out of your screenshot trying to hide stuff. With this it will be much better and it looks much cleaner. Video Next is the next app for this video. Now, what it allows you to do, it allows you to add progress bar to your videos. Now, sharing a video on the internet will be much better, and it will look, of course, way more professional if you have a progress bar on that video. Now, with this app, all you have to do is just load the video. You can choose different canvases right here if you just want to basically change the aspect ratio of the video. If you're trying to share it on any of the social media right there, you can just go with the original video and tap the next button right here. Now here we have the progress bar, but you can move it around. You can see right there, you can have all kinds of different styles. So like this, we can basically have two there. You can have all kinds of different styles of progress bars. This one that goes all around the video like that. You can see how cool that is. And even this one with the dual progress bars like that, pretty cool. And of course you can even change its color from here, so edit the color and also edit the thickness of the progress bar. Super useful, and of course very easy to use and very easy to make a progress bar for a video. Once you have done that, of course just tap the save button and you have this saved under your camera roll. Photos to PDF is the next app for the video. It allows you to convert photos into PDF files, but not just one photo. You can select a bunch of photos and you can even create different layouts. That of course is very hard to do, and you would need maybe like a professional software for your computer to do that, but you can do with this app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button right there and you can choose the page layout, so you can maybe have like 2 pictures or maybe text and pictures just like that, anything you want. So let's just choose this layout right here, tap the next button, and from here you can also choose a cover page for your document if you want to have one. So just like that, we can have a title and then go ahead and choose the pictures from the camera roll by tapping the next button. And once you have done that, it will show you a preview. So we have the document title, which of course we can add it from here. Let's just leave that like that. And then we have right here the pictures that we just added. Now what we can do from here is of course add the text right here on the side, because we chose this layout to have the photos on the left and have the text on the right. Just like that, you can see how easy that is to create that document. And then from here you can add a name for that document and even add a password if you want to protect that PDF file with a passcode. Once you're done, tap on generate and share PDF. From here you will see how it looks, and of course you can tap the share button and save this into your files. Next up is clock widget. Now this is a simple clock widget, yet it's very interesting. It is one of the fewer widgets that I keep on my device and use time after time. Now you can see it right here. It shows you all the information that you need. Your battery, you can see the clock right there, the day, and also the date right there at the bottom. But the thing that I like about this is that it has all kinds of different colors right there, which of course you can customize. Now when you go to the app, you will see here all the different colors. So you will have the battery background, you have the weekday background, you have the clock, you have the month background, anything you can change there. And of course just pick one of them and choose the color that you like from here. And then of course you can apply that to the home screen by simply tapping on set widget. It is that easy. Tap right there, tap on set widget, tap done, and you're good to go. You have now that updated on the home screen. You can use all of the sizes, the small, the medium, and the bigger widget. Pretty cool. You can of course combine this with the colors of your wallpaper on the home screen, make your home screen look really different. And last but not least is cost of living. This one is really interesting. If you're planning to travel somewhere, or maybe just go to live another place, or you're just interested to know what's the cost of living in a place, you're gonna go ahead and just search it from here. So let's just search New York, for example. New York right there, and you can see it shows you the cost of living in New York. Meal, inexpensive restaurant right there, $20. Meal for 2 people, mid-range restaurant, $100. Coke, $2.15, and all that stuff. You can see markets right there. You can see all kinds of stuff. Transportation. You will have here utilities, sports, childcare, clothing, rent per month. You can see all that. All the cost of living in one place is right here. And what's really interesting is that you can also tap right there and you can compare this to maybe another city. So let's just choose, let's say Paris. So here we have Paris, and then of course we can go ahead and compare it with New York and see of course which stuff is cheaper and which stuff is more expensive in one or the other city. Really interesting to know. Maybe if you want to live somewhere or you're just out of curiosity, you want to know that, then this app will help you with that. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 8 iPhone apps that I believe every iPhone user must have. They're really unique, of course, and of course very useful at the same time. So make sure you go ahead and give them a try. You can find them linked right down below in the pinned comment. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys on the next one.